One way to get free coins is by reading comics. Just tap on the canvas section in the app. If you read 30 canvas comics every Sunday, you will be eligible to receive free coins from the Webtoon. You can choose any canvas comic to read and you don't have to stick to just one. Just make sure that total is 30 by the end of the day. If you are looking for an easier method, go to your account setting and scroll down until you find the promotion code option. Tap on it and you will be able to enter a promo code. If you receive a code from a friend or found one on Discord, simply enter it into the promo code field and tap apply. That will also earn you free coins. There are several ways to earn free coins on the Webtoon, and these are just a couple of them.